Hey guys, Quentin here from My Name is Yu-Gi-Oh! Coming at you with not one, but 15 packs of the Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy, and there's some awesome cards you get in here, like Draco Sack, the Elemental Dragons, Tachyon, Sombre, and Judgment of the Light, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Put these over here. Let's see if we can pull some Elemental Dragons and whatnot. And our first one is the promo Mecha Phantom Beast Turtle Racer. And our rare Go 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 Gigas. And we got a Mind Drain, which is actually a pretty good card. I'll set that aside. So we can get some other good cards here. Fire Formation Kaio, Wolf. There's our baby dragon and a big whale. Get these open here. Alrighty. King of the Feral Imps, Starfish. Got a Rhino and nope, just a Rhino and a Green Dustin. Next pack. Got a Burner. Nice. We got a number 69. Oh, we got a Reactin. 69 Heraldry Crest. Heraldry Crest. Rare. Next pack. Another Burner. Another 69. There's a lot of rares and a lot of common Ixies cards here. There's a Fire King Avatar Garunix, a Buffalo, and a Lightning Dragon Ruler. So far only one holo. That's not good. For the ratio of holos, it's not that great in here. Their Mind Drain. There we go. Trifortress Rare and a Fire Formation Gyoku and a Spellbook of Miracles. And another 69. Geez, getting tons of those. Mermail, Abyss, Osea. And there we go, got a Tachyon and a rare Buffalo. Awesome, I needed that. I need 2 more of these. We got 6 packs left. And we got a Rhino. Dragon Carnation. Another Trifortress Tops. Got 4 more packs. King of Feral Imps, a Ice Beast, Zerofin. 3 more. Big Whale. 2 more. Oh. Got a Mind Drain, awesome. Buffalo. 1 more pack. And we got a Stream Dragon Ruler. Okay, so far, yeah, not a too great of a ratio, but we did get a Kirikion. I actually need that for my Evil Swarms. And 2 terrible cards. Go over the rares. Trifortress Tops. Awesome. 69, another Trifortress Tops. A bunch of 69s. And some good commons. So that's it. Overall, not that great, whatever, but we did get a Kirikion, which is good, so can't always get the best cards. Not even a secret rare, but, well, you know, whatever. Let me know what you think about the set, and let me know what you think about the Elemental Dragons and how they're gonna potentially ruin the format. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe.